National spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Harshvardhan Tripathi with us, senior journalist. Tushar Gupta, political analyst, joins us. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader Congress. Vivek Srivastav, political analyst. And Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Good evening to all of you. I first want to go across to Ashwini Kumar Mishra. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, there are some rebuttals coming in on the question of where was RSS during the freedom struggle. Why were they absent? Where were they when Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru were jailed, when they were thrown behind the bars? The fact check coming in and the rebuttal coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party is that, please first answer, why were the Swayam Sevaks invited for the 1963 Republic Day parade? Also talk about the Chimur movement in 1942 when the Swayam Sevaks protested against the arrest of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru.
स्वाति जी, गुड इवनिंग टू योर व्यूअर्स। बचपन में मैं भी एक बार आरएसएस की शाखा में अपने भाई के साथ गया था एंड आई आस्क्ड माय ब्रदर कि यहाँ तो ये हमको कट्टरपंथ बना रहे हैं, कट्टरपंथ सिखा रहे हैं। दैट इज द इथोस ऑफ आरएसएस। आरएसएस किल्ड द वेरी इथोस ऑफ इंडिया व्हिच इज सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया एंड स्टार्टेड रेडिकलाइजिंग पीपल्स माइंडसेट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग. I've been there, so I have seen it. So I don't understand what are we celebrating this 100 years for. Are we celebrating this 100 years for supporting Britishers? Are we celebrating 100 years for insulting the tricolor? Are we supporting this 100 years for insulting the freedom fighters or abusing Ambedkar, burning their effigies, burning the constitutions, or motivating the first terrorist of India, Godse? You may say that he was not from RSS, but he was fully motivated by the RSS ideology, and he was one of the members of Vishwadi Parsad as well. I mean, that whatever that Savarkar had that time. If you look at Hindu Mahasabha. Now, if you look at the RSS history of 100 years, it was banned by Patel ji. It used to write letters to Britishers and suggesting them how to dismantle the freedom movement. It did not join in civil obedience move of 1930. It did not join in the Quit India movement. In fact, it made the government with Jinnah. And it along with Savarkar, it was giving the bipartisan theory. It also wanting to implement Manusmriti in place of constitution. So understand what is a history of hundreds of RSS. I think the fundamental problem with the RSS is that they don't want to run this country by the constitution. They want to run this country by the Manusmriti, the ideology which nobody will accept, where women are treated as second class.
Then Jawaharlal Nehru, going by that logic, Jawaharlal Nehru and the Congress party is the biggest culprit in allowing this organization to flourish and work for 100 years. अगर ये कट्टरपंथ फैला रहे थे तो जब पहली बार इनको बैन किया गया था, why was the ban lifted within a year? You're the biggest culprit. You allowed this organization that you accuse of spreading hate and kattarpanth to flourish for 100 years. उसी वक्त बैन कर देते, खत्म कर देते आरएसएस.
Swati ji, as Gandhi ji said, hate the crime, not the criminal. So we always give opportunity to everyone who can be bring to the mainstream. And we had given that opportunity to RSS also that point of time. We allow everyone to participate in the glorification of India, in the prosperity of India. But some institutions failed, and they failed completely in 100 years. I have given the history. There are incidents after that as well.
But Ashwini Kumar Mishra, you don't give second, third, fourth chances to a repeat offender. You should not give chances to an organization that you feel is spreading kattarpanth. You should definitely not give chances to an organization that is radicalizing people. Correct. Isn't this hypocrisy on part of the Congress party to lift the ban? Also, why was Hedgewar thrown behind bars in 1921 and 1931 as well? Why were the Swayam Sevaks sheltering, protecting the freedom fighters? If they had nothing to do with the Quit India movement, nothing to contribute to the freedom struggle, if they were so pro-British and anti-India, क्या कर रहे थे लोग? क्यों freedom fighters को पनाह दे रहे थे?
Swati ji, if you read bunch of thoughts, you can clearly see the writings of Golwalkar ji. He himself said that our struggle or our idea of RSS was not about the freedom. We wanted to unite Hindus, or rather radicalize the Hindus. So RSS, second head Golwalkar himself said that they did not want to participate in freedom. Freedom was
Why
not
was he released from jail?
Evident.
Why was he released from jail? No, 1 second. I am talking. 1 second. Relax. After the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, Why was the ban lifted? Why was Golwalkar released from jail?
Swati ji, understand, the judiciary works on the 100% on the evidence. Judiciary cannot predict the thought process or the ideology or the mental state of the person. RSS still has that mental
That's very interesting.
where they
So
want
irrespective of whether the organization was absolved or not, the individual was released from the jail. Now you will talk about their thought process. Judiciary ने clean chit दे दी, लेकिन इनका thought process खराब था, इसीलिए आपने ban lift कर दिया. Let me bring in Guru Prakash. Guru Prakash, there's no contribution to show of the RSS in the freedom struggle. आप बच्चों को अब curriculum में पढ़ाना चाहते हैं RSS के बारे में. This is indoctrination. This is not education.
No, Swati, at the outset, let me make this very clear that we don't need any certificate from any Congress party. ये Congress party हमें प्रमाण पत्र देने वाली कौन होती है? The Congress party leader was saying we gave them an opportunity. Excuse me, आप हमें अवसर देने वाले कौन होते हैं? Today, अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद, world's largest and world's oldest student union. You have to understand, भारतीय मजदूर संघ, world's country's largest trade union. Today, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, world's largest political party, भारतीय किसान संघ, वनवासी कल्याण आश्रम, विद्या भारती, संस्कार भारती. These are not just mere organizations, sir. These are not just NGO. These are flagship initiative of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh that touches each and every aspect of 140 crore Indians. That is point number one. Point number two, my friend from the Congress party, and he did not answer your question. Why was the RSS invited to participate in the parade? इस सवाल का जवाब आपने नहीं दिया. Indira Gandhi, the same Congress party, the same Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who is never tired of criticizing and abusing वीर सावरकर को वीर बोलने वाली इंदिरा गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी. अब आप बोलेंगे आपने मौका दिया था. राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ एक सामाजिक सांस्कृतिक संगठन है और उसके 100 वर्ष होने पे हम सबको गर्व होता है. एंड टुडे यू लुक एट ईच एंड एवरी ऑपोजिशन पार्टी, द राष्ट्रीय जनता दल, समाजवादी पार्टी, कांग्रेस पार्टी, लेफ्ट पार्टीज, व्हाट इज देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन टू नेशन बिल्डिंग? The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, I gave you a list of organization. Every single space that touches each and every aspect of 140 crore Indians. Emergency के विरोध में. This is the 50th year of emergency, Swati. 50 साल emergency के हुए हैं. And the political party Jansangh, it was institutionally invented by the RSS. Nanaji Deshmukh, who gave a voice to join the protest against emergency, he came from the RSS. So today the Congress party is in a quest. The Congress party is in a hurry to give RSS a certificate. हम प्रमाण पत्र मांगने वाले आपसे कोई नहीं और आप प्रमाण पत्र देने वाले कोई होते नहीं है.
आप कोई नहीं होते प्रमाण पत्र देने वाले. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, we don't want a certificate from you, says गुरु प्रकाश. RSS को आपके सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं है.
जी हाँ, हमें हाँ सुन लीजिए, सुनिए गुरु प्रकाश जी.
स्वाति
सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत जरूर नहीं है आपको. माफीनामा क्यों लिखा था कांग्रेस की सरकार को आरएसएस ने, और कहा था कि हम पॉलिटिकल संगठन नहीं है, हम पे से बैन हटाइए.
आप दिखाइए. आप
नहीं आप सुनिए जरा. यू नो नथिंग.
आप दिखाइए.
आप पहले सुन लीजिए जरा.
यहाँ पे
चिट्ठी लिखी गई थी.
दिखाइए.
होम मिनिस्टर को
बंद करिए. आप
सुनिए जरा. लेट मी कंप्लीट.
चिट्ठी दिखाइए.
लेट मी कंप्लीट. डोंट हाइड द फैक्ट्स.
अरे चिट्ठी दिखाइए.
चिट्ठी लिख करके होम मिनिस्टर को, सरदार पटेल को गुरु गोलवलकर ने बोला, अश्योर किया.
फॉल्स प्रोपेगेंडा.
लेट मी कंप्लीट. तुम्हारा प्रोपेगेंडा तो फॉल्स प्रोपेगेंडा है.
बंद करिए अपना फॉल्स प्रोपेगेंडा.
सुनो मेरी बात को.
फॉल्स प्रोपेगेंडा.
सुनो मेरी बात को.
ये झूठ बोल रहे हो आप.
तो फिर आप बोल दीजिए.
बोलो.
ठीक है,
आप झूठ मत बोलो.
ठीक है.
क्या
आरएसएस की तरफ से
ये बहुत हो गया.
होल्ड ऑन.
आरएसएस
की तरफ से
चलता आ रहा है.
होम मिनिस्टर को चिट्ठी लिखी थी कि नहीं?
गुरु प्रकाश, एक मिनट. अलाउ हिम टू फिनिश हिज आर्गुमेंट. कम बैक.
नहीं, ही इज टू स्केयर्ड ना.
दिखाइए.
आरएसएस क्या है? एनजीओ है, सोसाइटी है, ट्रस्ट है, एफसीआरए लाइसेंस है, इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न भरते हो. क्या है संघ? स्टेटस बताओ यहाँ पे पहले. व्हाट इज द संघ? आरएसएस क्या है? स्टेटस बताओ. स्टेटस मेरे को. रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर बताओ. ट्रस्ट है कि सोसाइटी बताओ. इस साल रिटर्न भरा कि नहीं है बताओ. एफसीआरए का लाइसेंस है बताओ. पैसा कहां से आता है? बिल्डिंग
ओके, विवेक श्रीवास्तव, वन सेकंड.
नहीं बता सकते.
टेल मी समथिंग. अगर आरएसएस कुछ नहीं है, 1965 में, एक मिनट, 1965 में लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इनवाइटेड गोलवलकर फॉर एन ऑल पार्टी कंसल्टेटिव मीटिंग. उस वक्त इंडिया पाकिस्तान का